How can I iterate over files in a given directory? I need to iterate through all .asm files inside a given directory and do some actions on them. How can this be done in an efficient way?
Python 3.6 version of the above answer, using os, assuming that you have the directory path as a str object in a variable called directory underscore in underscore str. Or recursively, using pathlib. Use reblob to replace blob.asm with reblob.asm. This is like calling path.glob with slash added in front of the given relative pattern. Original answer.
This will iterate over all descendant files, not just the immediate children of the directory.
You can try using glob module. And since Python 3.5 you can search subdirectories as well. From the docs. The glob module finds all the path names matching a specified pattern according to the rules used by the Unix shell, although results are returned in arbitrary order. No tilde expansion is done, but and character ranges expressed with will be correctly matched.
Since Python 3.5, things are much easier with os.scander and 220x faster. Source. Using scander instead of listitor can significantly increase the performance of code that also needs file type or file attribute information, because os.directory objects expose this information if the operating system provides it when scanning a directory. All os.directory methods may perform a system call, but is_dir and is_file usually only require a system call for symbolic links. os.directory.stat always requires a system call on Unix but only requires one for symbolic links on Windows.